So I would say in 2020, our top accomplishments could be summarized into three main buckets. The first would be getting a chief technology officer hired, which is me. Uh, and so we now have somebody 100% dedicated to the vaccine and immunotherapeutics area. I've got 25 years of experience with Boehringer Ingelheim, and I'm really anxious to work with over 65 faculty that are working in this space. Secondly, I would say major progress on through the Nanovaccine Institute in the area of influenza. A wonderful collaboration between the University of Iowa and Iowa State using nanovaccine technologies to assess the flu. And it's a perfect example of iStillus symbology, the Sci-Hawk collaboration, but it's been a real pleasant surprise and a really fun effort to watch. Thirdly, and most importantly, I'd have to say it's the COVID response from Iowa State. When the COVID pandemic hit, the faculty and staff developed concepts and proposals about how they might help and address that. And then on October 19, they actually received CARES funding to implement and pursue those ideas. October 19th, 2 months later, and the amount of progress that's been made is phenomenal. We're working with over 65 different faculty and researchers who are playing in this space and really want to, again, create a portfolio, rank and prioritize those efforts, and make sure that those closest to commercialization move through. So Iowa State has been and is a strong leader in the vaccine and immunotherapeutic space. And what we need to accomplish over the next 5 years is really the following. First of all, we need to move away from opportunistic funding, which is fine, but really identify what are we world-class at and where are the strategic areas that we can get the most value from our research efforts. Secondly, we need to leverage our platform technologies. I think what we've seen from the example of the Nanovaccine Institute is we've made the investment and they're very fast and flexible, and we need to fully leverage those. Thirdly, we need to establish seamless collaborations with our industry partners. Research funding and research agreements are fine, but true collaboration where information and technology and processes are shared back and forth will certainly benefit our areas. And then finally, it's really, if we do all three of those things, we will move away from individual project funding to more of programs that are self-sufficient in their funding, more consistent revenue into the research for R&D, as well as a faster technology transfer process to the commercial space. If we do that, it's going to benefit Iowa State in our research programs. It's going to create more jobs in Iowa, and ultimately a better economic development situation, which we all strive for.